Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English channel. Today, you will listen to a real-life English conversation. This conversation will help you improve your English listening skills. Before we begin, thank you for watching. If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment. All right, let's start. Hi, you look tired today.
Yes, I am very tired today.
Really? What happened?
I slept very late last night.
Oh no. Why did you sleep late?
I watched a movie, and then another movie, and then one more.
3 movies?
Yes, I told myself just one more movie.
That sounds dangerous.
Yes, very dangerous.
So, what time did you wake up this morning?
I woke up at 7:30.
7:30? That's late.
Yes, I usually wake up at 6:30.
Did you feel sleepy?
Very sleepy. I almost went back to bed.
I understand that feeling.
What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 6.
Wow, that's early.
Yes, I like to wake up early.
What do you do after you wake up?
First, I drink water.
Just water?
Yes, a big glass of water.
That sounds healthy.
Then I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Same here, but sometimes I feel too sleepy.
Do you brush your teeth with your eyes closed?
Yes, sometimes I almost fall asleep again.
That's funny.
After brushing my teeth, I take a shower.
Cold shower or hot shower?
Hot shower, always.
Same. Cold showers are scary.
Yes, especially in the morning.
After your shower, what do you do?
I make breakfast.
Really? You cook?
Yes, simple food only.
What do you usually eat?
Eggs and toast.
That sounds nice.
And coffee. Lots of coffee.
How many cups?
2 cups. Sometimes 3.
3 cups? That's a lot.
Yes, coffee is my best friend.
Same here.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat bread and fruit.
That sounds healthy.
And sometimes I drink tea.
Tea instead of coffee?
Yes, I like tea in the morning.
I need coffee, or I can't open my eyes.
That's funny.
After breakfast, I get dressed.
Do you choose your clothes quickly?
No, I always change my clothes 2 or 3 times.
Really?
Yes, I look in the mirror and say, no, not this one.
That's me too sometimes.
Choosing clothes is very difficult.
Especially on Monday mornings.
Yes, Monday is always hard.
After you get dressed, do you go to work?
Yes, I leave my house at 8:30.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
Do you like taking the bus?
Sometimes, but sometimes it's very crowded.
Oh no.
Yes, many people, no seats.
That sounds uncomfortable.
Yes, I stand and try not to fall.
That sounds like exercise.
Yes, free exercise every morning.
So, after you get on the bus, how long does it take to reach your workplace?
It usually takes about 30 minutes.
That's not too bad.
Yes, but when there is traffic, it feels very long.
Oh no, traffic is always stressful.
Yes, sometimes I look at my watch again and again.
I do that too.
I always hope the bus moves faster.
Do you listen to music on the bus?
Yes, I listen to music almost every day.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, music makes the morning better.
Do you ever fall asleep on the bus?
Yes, many times.
Really? That sounds dangerous.
Yes, one time I almost missed my stop.
Oh no, what happened?
I woke up suddenly and saw my stop passing by.
That must be scary.
Yes, I quickly pressed the stop button.
Did you get off in time?
Yes, but I had to walk back.
That sounds like extra exercise.
Yes, morning exercise again.
After you arrive at work, what do you do first?
First, I turn on my computer.
That sounds normal.
Yes. Then I check my emails.
Do you get many emails?
Too many emails.
Emails never stop.
Yes. Sometimes I feel tired just reading them.
That sounds stressful.
Yes. But coffee helps me stay awake.
Coffee again.
Yes. Coffee saves my life every morning.
Do you talk with your coworkers in the morning?
Yes. We usually say good morning to each other.
That sounds friendly.
Yes. Sometimes we joke with each other.
Really? What kind of jokes?
One coworker always says, "Is it Friday yet?"
That is funny.
Yes. Everyone loves Friday.
I agree. Friday feels special.
Yes. Friday means the weekend is coming.
So, what time do you usually have lunch?
Around 12:30.
Do you bring lunch or buy lunch?
I usually buy lunch.
What do you like to eat?
I like rice and chicken.
That sounds delicious.
Yes. Lunch is my favorite time.
You really love food.
Yes. Food makes me happy.
Do you eat alone or with coworkers?
Usually with coworkers.
That sounds nice.
Yes. We talk and laugh together.
What do you talk about?
Sometimes about work, sometimes about movies.
That sounds fun.
Yes. Lunchtime helps us relax.
Do you ever eat too much?
Yes. Sometimes.
Really?
Yes. After lunch, I feel very sleepy.
That happens to many people.
Yes. I want to take a nap.
But you can't sleep at work.
Yes. I must stay awake.
How do you stay awake?
I drink more coffee.
More coffee again?
Yes. Coffee is my secret weapon.
So, after lunch, how is your afternoon at work?
The afternoon is usually very busy.
Really? What do you usually do?
I finish my tasks and answer more emails.
That sounds tiring.
Yes, sometimes I look at the clock again and again.
Waiting for the end of work?
Yes, I always wait for 5 p.m.
Everyone loves 5 p.m.
Yes, 5 p.m. means freedom.
That sounds funny.
Yes, when the clock shows 5 p.m., I feel very happy.
What do you usually do after work?
After work, I usually go home.
Do you go straight home?
Not always.
Oh, really? What else do you do?
Sometimes I stop at a small shop.
What do you buy there?
Snacks and drinks.
Snacks again.
Yes, snacks make my evening better.
That sounds nice.
What about you? What do you do after work?
After work, I usually go to the gym.
Really? That sounds healthy.
Yes, I like to exercise.
I want to go to the gym, but I feel lazy.
That happens to many people.
Yes, when I go home, my sofa calls my name.
Your sofa talks to you?
Yes, it says, "Come sit here and relax."
That is very funny.
Yes, sometimes I sit down and watch TV.
What do you watch?
I watch funny shows.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, laughing helps me forget stress.
Do you ever meet friends after work?
Yes, sometimes.
What do you do with your friends?
We go to restaurants.
That sounds fun.
Yes, we eat dinner and talk a lot.
What do you talk about?
We talk about work, movies, and life.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, spending time with friends makes me happy.
Do you ever feel too tired after work?
Yes, especially on Monday.
Monday is always hard.
Yes, Monday feels very long.
What do you do when you feel tired?
I take a short rest.
That sounds good.
Sometimes I take a short nap.
Really? After work?
Yes, but only for 20 minutes.
That sounds refreshing.
Yes, after the nap, I feel better.
Do you cook dinner at home?
Sometimes, but not every day.
Why not every day?
Because cooking takes time.
That is true.
Sometimes I order food,
Oh, really? What kind of food?
pizza or fried rice.
That sounds delicious.
Yes, delivery food is very convenient.
Do you ever cook with friends?
Yes, sometimes, on weekends.
That sounds fun.
Yes, cooking together is enjoyable.
What is your favorite after-work activity?
My favorite activity is relaxing.
That sounds simple.
Yes, relaxing makes me feel peaceful.
So, after you relax at home, what do you usually do in the evening?
In the evening, I usually prepare dinner.
Really? You cook dinner?
Yes, but simple food only.
What do you usually cook?
I cook rice and vegetables.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, but sometimes I burn the food.
Oh no, really?
Yes, one time I burned my eggs.
What happened?
I was watching videos on my phone.
Oh no, you forgot the eggs?
Yes, suddenly I smelled smoke.
That sounds scary.
Yes, my kitchen smelled like burnt toast.
Did you still eat the eggs?
No, they were too black.
That is very funny.
After dinner, I usually wash the dishes.
Do you like washing dishes?
Not really, but I have to do it.
Nobody likes washing dishes.
Yes, I wish dishes could wash themselves.
That would be amazing.
After washing dishes, I usually watch TV.
What kind of shows do you watch?
I like comedy shows.
That sounds fun.
Yes, comedy helps me relax.
Do you ever use your phone before bed?
Yes, almost every night.
That sounds familiar.
I check social media and watch short videos.
That can take a lot of time.
Yes, sometimes I say just 5 minutes.
And then 1 hour passes?
Yes, exactly.
What time do you usually go to bed?
Around 11:30.
That sounds reasonable.
Yes, but sometimes I sleep later.
Why do you sleep late?
Because I watch too many videos.
That sounds like last night.
Yes, I never learn my lesson.
What about weekends? What do you usually do on weekends?
On weekends, I like to relax.
Do you wake up early?
No, I wake up late.
Haha. How late?
Around 10 or 11 a.m.
Wow, that is very late.
Yes, weekends are for sleeping.
Haha. That sounds nice.
After waking up, I eat a big breakfast.
What do you eat?
Pancakes or noodles?
That sounds delicious.
Yes, weekend food tastes better.
Do you go out on weekends?
Yes, sometimes I meet my friends.
What do you do together?
We go to restaurants or watch movies.
That sounds fun.
Yes, weekends make me happy.
Do you ever stay home all day?
Yes, sometimes I stay home and watch TV.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, lazy weekends are the best.
Haha. I agree.
Sometimes I also clean my room.
That sounds responsible.
Yes, but I clean very slowly.
Haha. Slowly cleaning is still cleaning.
Yes, after cleaning, I feel proud.
That is a good feeling.
Yes, a clean room makes me happy.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Keep practicing your English every day.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
See you in the next lesson.